Hey everybody, so I was going to do a Kobalt tool unboxing and explain why I went with the Kobalt 3/8 impact, 3/8 ratchet. So let's get into it. So we have right here the 3/8 ratchet. We have the 3/8 stubby impact, and then two 4 amp hour battery pack with a charger. And then a big reason why is this toolbox right here. So this is my 3-drawer gear wrench toolbox. Currently have this massive thing. It's not very powerful, and I'd love something more compact. So let's go ahead and get a knife, and we'll see how this stuff fits in. So first up, we'll go ahead and grab the impact. There it is. So you guys can see how small that is, and in comparison to the one I had, I mean, that is a massive difference. But for anyone wanting to know the size, from the bottom all the way to the top, it's about 7.5, just shy of that. And then from the anvil, it's about there to the back, 4 1/4, somewhere in there. So pretty compact. I was curious to know if it would fit this way, and I don't think it will. Next, we'll open the ratchet. And I got both tools and the 2 batteries and a charger with tax. $270 something was my total. All right, here's the ratchet. About what I expected. That'll fit in there. Alright, and we'll go ahead and try to pop open this case. It's already cracked. That sucks. Cut it open. Alright. Alright, there's the battery. So, with the tool attached, there we go. And it's definitely bottom heavy, but that's alright. Sound. You have 3 modes. So you have low, 1, 2, 3, 3 being the highest torque, and then you have a hand tight setting. So, it's not turning on, but it should stop it when it gets to be about hand tight. So there we go. And then we can look at what the battery looks like. Let's see if we can figure out. It's on 1, so I need to charge it. How to take this thing off. Oh, they do make a lot more compact 2 amp hour battery. There we go. There's the ratchet. So, 2 new tools with the battery. So, here, I'll come this way. So, I got it on sale. The impact was $80. And then the battery packs, the 2 packs with the battery was I think on sale for $100. It might have also been $80. I think it was $100. And then the ratchet was $140, but I had a $35 gift card. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply. So running a business, I'm using a card a lot. So I did the PayPal credit card, and I get 3% cash back when I use PayPal at checkout. So when I check out at Advanced Auto Parts, AutoZone, Napa, Rock Auto, whenever I'm buying parts, I check out, or even like buying stuff from Lowe's, right? I get 3% cash back, and they get 1.5% cash back on everything else. Like if I go shopping at Harbor Freight, 1.5% cash back. So I've accrued over $100 of cash back. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply that back to the credit card balance. So with the $35 and then that, I mean, that would technically bring it down to like 140, a little bit less than that of what I had to spend out of my own cash. which is really not bad for this set of tools. But I decided to go with this because for $270, let's say I just had the credit card, just the impact with batteries alone at Walmart is $283 right now, I want to say, and it's like $399 new for the 550 foot-pounds of torque stubby, and that's not including any of the ratchets, so electric ratchets. So I decided to go, you know what, I can get all three for sub 300. Let me do it, and then maybe as I build my income and I decide I want to go Milwaukee, I can switch later, sell these, or keep these for my home garage. But that's why I went with these. But yeah, I'm gonna try to fit them in the toolbox, and potentially we'll show you guys that at the end of this video if you want to see how it looks in the toolbox. But thanks for watching the unboxing, and I'm looking forward to using them.